So, you're looking for a Notion consultant, right? Now, I should probably tell you why you should decide to work with me. Oh boy. Well, it definitely won't be due to my impeccable sales and marketing skills in creating this type of introductory videos. I've done it before and I was bad at it. I usually talk about myself, me, myself, and I don't address customers' pain points. I don't solve your problems or give you the taste of how I can solve your problems in such introductory videos. The thing is, I have no idea at this moment what your pain points really are, and it kind of feels stupid to talk about it if I don't know you, and I have no idea what you're struggling with. My name is Sanja, and I've been working with clients since 2019, helping them build Notion workspaces, collaborate better, optimize their processes, and so on. And that all sounds really nice, but can I help you? I don't know at this moment. Let's talk, and we'll be smarter after that. So, you know what to do. Thanks.